Hello friends, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Poonam Chawla, an assistant professor with Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Management Studies in Rohini. Today we are going to discuss on the interesting subject of e-learning. This is part 2 in the series. The learning outcomes associated with this module are Introduction to EPSS, the Learning Management System, Learning Content Management System, difference between LMS and LCMS, mobile learning, blended learning and choosing new technology training methods, followed by the summary of the module. Now let us define what is an electronic performance support system. An electronic performance support system is any computer software or program or component that improves user performance. In electronic performance support systems, Gloria Gary defines that it is an integrated electronic environment which is available and easily accessible by all the employees and is structured to provide immediate, individualized, online access to the full range of information, gives software guidance, provides advice and assistance, gives them data images, tools and assessment and monitoring systems to permit job performance with minimal support and intervention by others. A shorter definition has been provided by Rebold, who says that it is a computer based system that improves and enhances work productivity by providing on the job access to integrated information, advice and learning experiences. If we look at the definition from a business perspective, you can get the definition of a Nortel Networks executive, Bizanson, who says that it is linked to the application usability and organizational results. A performance support system provides just in time enough training information, tools and helps for users of a product or work environment to enable optimum performance by those users when and where needed, thereby also enhancing the performance of the overall business. EPSS can help an organization to reduce the cost of training staff while increasing the productivity and performance. They can empower employees to perform tasks with a minimum amount of external intervention or training. By using this type of system, an employee, especially a new employee, will often not only be able to complete his or her work more quickly and accurately, but as a secondary benefit, it will also learn more about the job and the employer's business. And EPSS is best considered when workers require knowledge to achieve individual performance in a business environment. Skilled performers are spending a lot of time helping less skilled performers. New workers must begin to perform immediately, and in this sense training is impractical, unavailable or constrained. Employees need to be guided through a complex process or task which cannot be memorized. EPS has 4 functional levels which should be brought together. The user interface shell, which is the human computer interface, and the database generic tools, which involves help system, documentation, text retrieval system, intelligent agents, tutoring facilities, simulation tools and communication resources. Application specific support tools, a target application domain like schools or particular business settings, military, etc. Let us look at the features and benefits of EPSS. EPSS enhances the learning process and also gives a basis for increased self-learning. EPSS provides task-specific information, training, coaching and monitoring to enhance job performance. The key to good EPSS tools is their simplicity and accuracy. It provides what you need when you need it. It enables quick referencing of data and so works on the principle of just-in-time learning. It enables novice users to be productive on the very first day that they start using a system. In other words, it reinforces the idea of day one performance. It supports higher level of performance for the work being done today while helping to build the knowledge infrastructure for work to be done in the future. It reduces the complexity or number of steps required to perform a task. It provides the performance information an employee needs to perform a task. It provides a decision support system that enables an employee to identify the actions that are appropriate for a particular set of conditions. It also decreases the paper documentation such as user manuals or evaluations or tests. Let us define what is a learning management system. A learning management system is a technology platform that can be used to automate the administration, development and delivery of all of a company's training programs. Learning management system can provide employees, managers and trainers with the ability to manage, deliver and track learning activities. Learning management system is a software that deploys, manages, tracks and reports on interaction between learner and content and between learner and instructor. In particular, learning management system performs student registration tracks, learner progress, record test scores and indicate course completions, and finally allows the trainers to assess the performance of their learners. Organizations using a learning management system have a central place to store course material online for access by specified users. These organizations can track and analyze learning results over time and are able to administer learning evaluation online. Why should one use learning management system? We are witnessing an e-learning revolution. Rapid changes are seen in the technology and workforce preferences. Learning management system provides speed, it facilitates faster training, content ownership as content can be developed by the company. It is cost effective as compared to other training methods. Flexibility, it is easier to modify and provide the users flexibility of timing. Continuing with the reasons why one should use learning management system, it helps in managing performance, it provides significant returns on investment, it reduces the time for program completion, it enhances the employee's accessibility to training, and lastly it provides administrative capabilities to track program completion and course enrollment. Centralized management of learning activities tracks regular compliance, measures training usage and measures employee performance. Popular learning management systems. There are at least 250 learning management systems in the market, not including education and open source learning management systems. Many organizations and educational institutions have developed their own systems and they do not market them. There are at least 100 learning management content systems wherein 250 course authoring tools, 50 virtual classrooms are present. Burson and Associates say the sixth largest LMS product companies constitute approximately 50% of the market. The report does not specify which 6 are these, but the total vendors in the corporate market are SumTotal, Saba, Meridian, Outstart, Plateau and Learn.com. Learning management systems began simply as registration and record keeping softwares to manage instructor-led instruction. In the 90s, the ability to launch and track e-learning was added. Since then, related tools such as improved reporting capability, e-commerce and performance and competency management have been added. A recent survey by the government indicates that approximately 50% of all the training provided in major corporations is through e-learning. The major challenges and implications faced by trainers while using learning management systems are given below. Number 1, customizations, the problem of upgrades, performance, technical support, usability of the system, flexibility in the system, content issues, bugs, integration with the comprehensive system and reporting. There are 4 important tools which are used in the learning management software. They are communication tools, productivity tools, student involvement tools and course delivery tools. The standard communication tools of learning management system are discussion forums, discussion management, file exchange, internet mails, online notes, real-time chat, whiteboard. The standard student involvement tools of learning management systems are group work, student portfolio. The standard course delivery tools of learning management systems are automated testing management, automated testing support, online gradebook, course management, student tracking, customized look and feel. The standard productivity tools of learning management system are bookmarks, calendars and progress, review, searching within the course, working offline, synchronizing, orientation and help. When an organization is designing a learning management system, it is necessary that the following points should be kept in mind. The learning management software should consist of a comprehensive set of productivity tools which will allow the trainee in utilizing the learning management software. For communication purposes, the learning management software should focus on having an internal mail system and discussion forum, which are the most used features in learning management software. The content delivery tools offered by the learning management software should allow the trainee to be flexible on his training schedule. Usability is the problem faced by most of the trainees, therefore, this must be kept in mind while designing a learning management system. Beyond general usability issues, learning professionals state that learners also find it challenging to search for training and information within their learning management systems and kind of face IT issues like low bandwidth or password issues. The most popular features of a learning management software is the ability to provide personalized learning plans and the ability of the software to integrate with other learning management softwares and social media. 38% of the companies reporting integrating an LMS with human resource information system. These learning management systems are important for the organization so that they can track the number of employees who have completed many courses or they need to meet some state, federal or professional regulations. A learning management system can help companies understand the strengths and weaknesses of their employees, including where the talent gap exists. To maximize its effectiveness, learning management system should be integrated with human resource system. The interface between the system will provide basic employee information such as business unit, geographical location and job title. It also helps them track the online training activities of the users. Essentially, a learning content management systems comes into picture when generic e-learning is not fitting the bill. It weaves together small chunks or granules of e-learning content in a way that it produces a comprehensive yet easy to use e-learning content. Tracking the learning activity in a business is important for human capital management. Human capital management integrates training with all aspects of human resource function to determine how training dollars are spent and how training expenses translate into business dollars for the company. Now, let us define what is a learning content management system. A learning content management system is an integrated multi-user administrative authoring and delivery platform that allows administrators to host, schedule, manage, registration, assess, test and track online training activities. These systems also allow instructional designers to create and house course materials and learners to access course schedules, register for training, take assessments and manage transcripts. A learning content management system is an integrated e-learning platform that gives the administrators the option of hosting, scheduling, assessing and managing registrations in a multi-user platform. The primary business problem an LCMS solves is to create just enough content in time to meet the needs of the individual learner or a group of learners. What are the benefits of using a learning content management system? The primary focus of a learning content management system is on developing e-learning content. It gives the course authors, instructional designers and subject matter experts a way to create e-learning content more efficiently. So, rather than developing the entire course and then eventually adapting them to multiple audiences, instructional designers create reusable content chunks which would be available to the course developers to be used at a later stage. Now, this serves dual benefit by eliminating duplicate developmental efforts while allowing for rapid assembly of customized content. It is important that we differentiate between the learning management system and learning content management system. It is necessary to mention here that learning management system and learning content management system are complementary in nature. However, they are very different systems that serve different masters and address unique business challenges. A learning management system is a high-level strategic solution for planning, delivering and managing all learning events within an organization, including online virtual classrooms and instructor-led courses. A learning management system simplifies global certification efforts, enable companies to align learning initiatives with strategic goals and provides a viable mean of enterprise level skills management. The focus of a learning management system is to manage learners, keeping track of their performance and progress across all types of training activities. It performs the heavy-duty administrative tasks such as reporting to the human resource department and other ERP systems, but is not generally used to create course content. Mobile learning. With more and more employees on the road and working at a distance or telecommuting, there have been a strong demand to make applications accessible via mobile devices. Laptops, personal computers or personal digital assistants and cell phones are some of the examples. In the LMS world, learning management systems world, this is known as mobile learning or M-learning. LMS vendors have been rushing to add to this capability. Mobile devices provide learners with tests and surveys, job aids, just-in-time learning, location-based and contextual learning, social networking tools, which gives access to experts, mentors and communities of practice, educational gaming and language learning. Choosing new technology training methods. New technology training methods should be used under the following conditions. There are adequate resources to develop and use technology. Trainees are geographically dispersed and travel cost to a single training site would be very high. Trainees are comfortable using new technology including personal computers and software, web and CD-ROMs. Use of new technology is part of the company's business strategy and it is being used in other processes in the company. Employees would have a difficult time attending scheduled training programs due to their preoccupations. Current training methods only allow limited time for practice, feedback or assessment. Use of new technology fits into the organizational culture and is well integrated with the business strategy of the firm. What are the assessment tools? There should be an open interface system within learning management system or ERP, communication, collaborative function, enterprise security, facilities for content migration and automated implementation processes. Let us look at the summary of the module. Today's training and development professional must know about e-learning technologies and factors that impact their implementation. In this module, we discussed electronics performance support system, learning management system. This module also provided insights into mobile learning, blended learning and the key factors to consider when implementing these technologies. Thank you. I hope you understood the module well.